Ka Rotary Club Jowai ringkat ka jingatray lang ka JNV School Mukhla ha ka khatnrel tarik no pra kala penlong ya ka Career Guidance and Counselling Program ha ka ba uba Sylvester Panbo MCS EAC West Giant Hills ulalong kum ukongsan ha ka jingdon lang ki khynnah skul bat kinong hikai ka JNV School Mukhla. Ha ka jingalang Rotarian DF Majaw ulalong kum Master of Ceremony katba Rotarian Debor Myntoi President Rotary Club Jowai ulalong kum usong kunor bapenya ya ka jingalang ha ka jingdan lang ka Rotarian Esther F Gatpo Chartered President Rotary Club Jowai Rotarian P Najer ka Vandia Srivastava Vice Principal JNV Mukhla Rotarian Montri Pasa Rotarian Samehi Lalu bad Rotarian Ruveni Nongtru Rotarian SK Lato Vice President RC Jowai ulayat ho syapang ka Rotary International kum kaway na kiseng Tremons ngobha kabadan hakaleng kiri jong ka perthai bat ulayat ho ru syapang ka Rotary Club Jowai bat kikam bakalale na kabenta kabha kamet bat ka Myntoi ha ka imlang sa lang jong kinong snong ka district. Sylvester Panbo kum ukongsan ulaong ban kentiu bat penlong ya kari India bakan kieu syakmat hakilyang baper kajing dan kam ka bahakmat kalong ban yo ki briu ki badan kajing start bat jing champang ban le ki kam baper ulaong ru ki khynnah skul menta kilong ki badan bok ban yo ya kani ka juk ka bakar pangtam bat ula kentu ya ki ban pendan kam hok ya ka jing nang jing start da kalenti ka babha bamyan ban pendan kam baklaya ka.
Now, when we go to the nature of this program, career guidance and counseling of students, I just want to present a few facts, okay? India, you might have read in the news, is on its way to becoming a $3 trillion economy in the coming years. What does that mean? It does not mean that one person will have $3 trillion in the bank account, savings or something, nothing like that. It means that that money actually represents jobs, industries, sectors that will grow across India. And to produce that kind of economy, we need skilled people. We need young people, young citizens of India who are software engineers, who are businessmen and businesswomen, who are doctors, who are civil engineers, who are sports persons, who are singers, who are dancers, who create videos, who direct documentaries, who are YouTube stars. All of them are part of the same bouquet, you could say, which will make our country go forward. You all are digital natives. What you have experienced since the time you were born, none of the older adults here experienced. For all the rest of us, we were already grown up when we first saw the internet. We were already adults when we first saw the mobile phone, the smartphone. And now with artificial intelligence, for us it's a very alien thing. But some of you, especially the ones in class 5 and class 6, you are born into that age. So the way you think, the way you connect with the world will be very different from the way we guys have connected with the world. And I have to say this also, it will be a big challenge for us to give you advice because we are not experiencing the same thing that you are. You are a unique generation, a very unique generation.
Ha kani ka Career Guidance and Counselling Program lawan ban ajing hikaya ki khynnah da ki riyo shampang ki bakentup ya ka Dr. Rika Lamar kabala batay syapang ka jingkot jingkya katba ka kong Iva Thaba bat ka badan nam perbat kila batay kumno banlong ki khynnah ki balait na ka jingkot lan hadin bala pendap ya ki jingpure hai ki kerdan baper.
This is a question very important for you, okay? Who wants to have a career when you grow up? Do you know what a career is? Yes? Okay, the boys in the front. When you grow up, you can have a job. A job means something that, you understand Khasi? Yes! Would you prefer me to speak in Khasi or Hindi? Okay, so if you want to have a career, something that you're passionate about, you have you make money and you're happy. This is a starting point for you, okay? We are going to share with you today something that you probably have not heard about. Now I want you to make a promise to yourself. Right now, right here. Put your hands on your heart. I promise to myself that I will be present in this session today so that I can be true to myself and have a fulfilling career. Now, I have a question. How many of you love dressing up? Me. Boys, don't you like dressing up? Do you like shopping? Okay, wrong crowd. I will come to you later. So if you love shopping and you love dressing up, when you go shopping, what do you look for? What do you look for when you go shopping? What do you have to buy a dress? What do you think? What else? Look at that. Size. If I give you this big a t-shirt and you wear it, do you feel good? No, right? But we do that with our career. Something that doesn't fit us, right? And we don't want to do that anymore. Not this generation, right? Yeah? What else do we think about? Price. Very important, right? Okay, more. The trend. You wouldn't wear something that is very old-fashioned, would you? No, right? We have utility. How do you use it? And then also the colors we talked about. Now, all of these factors, what do? It gives us all the information to make a decision, right? It helps us make a decision. So whenever we make a decision about our career, there's so many things we have to think about, right? And then that helps us make a conscious choice.
What is happening now is in the graduates and the khynnah klali skul klali class. Right? In the lapas our graduates they chayu. Jowai beliau kam. Dene. Bila kan hayang sen la jong dene. Dene. Nanganya tu ini kam dene nama batundam kam. Dene batundam kam kadang. Henry Kim Long fit for employment. I will give you data. Don't believe me, but it's data. Is fit for employment. Kam kadang Henry Kim Long fit par. Trainya betul kam. Sebenarnya, dia tak yuk itu kam. It's not a race. You finish the race and you get a medal. It's over. You have to be able to do that work. You have to be competent. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So, what does employable mean? So, this is the employer. What does an employer mean? What does an employer mean? Kinong tungkam. Okay? So, pinlay na ki schools, ki colleges, ki company ba phera ki employer jong phine. Te kam ka dan kam qualifications jong phine engineer, phine architect, ki kam bana ba phai. Engineer, teacher, exactly. Now we're looking, they want professional qualifications. You know what else they want? What is the reason why they are not fit for employment? Skills like, say it with me, communicate effectively, your communication skills, your but solve problems creatively, emotionally intelligent. Have you heard of that word before? Yeah. Very good, I like it, JNV. And then conflict resolution, self-leadership, and adaptability.